For you, maybe your opinion, yes, it's important. What's the difference between market of Forex and between market of crypto?
Well, the market of Forex is a lot older and a lot bigger. And so you can grow your company a lot bigger in the Forex space than you can do it in the crypto space. And the technology as well in the Forex market is a lot more advanced than it is right now in the crypto space. And in the crypto space as well, sadly, a lot more scam happening because of a lot of uneducated people in that space as well.
Okay, but how do you view the crypto market in general?
For me, I think the future products that are there, the future currencies that will be what the most of the people are using are not there yet, and what we are currently seeing, including Bitcoin and Ethereum and as well USDT. So Bitcoin will always be there, Ethereum will always be there, and USDT will always be there, but these will, in my opinion, not be the currencies of the future.
So you will start to work with this market, but what happened, you don't mind, or it's only you will try, but what will happen, we will see?
No, we will. So Bit1 is going to be one of the biggest crypto exchanges on the planet, and Bix is going to be the biggest card company that exists here today. And I can't wait for this to happen, because I do think that both of those things will happen in 2026.
But what risk and opportunities do you see in this area?
In all honesty, the crypto world is a lot less regulated than the Forex world. There will be a lot of change to that as well. And the biggest risk is that the regulation hits so hard that it is impossible to use crypto long term, because the governments just don't like it.
Yeah, of course. How did you find Bit1? Why you exactly choose this exchange? Or maybe you spoke with another platforms, brokers, or the partners?
Bit1 at the end has a lot of different perks that they will launch in Q2 and Q3 after their launch. Plus, they accept the affiliate marketing plans. They accept the network marketing plans as well, so that our structures that we are currently having in tag markets have a second home, basically, where they can bring their clients, plus the affiliates are able to make the commissions that they want to make. And this is a very, very important topic. Low fees, easy entrance into the gateways. They will offer as well bank accounts later for the clients on their names, so that everyone has an on and off ramp on their own name, which makes it super, super simple as a gateway into the market and out of the market again.
You told that they will give for our community the debit cards. How we will use it?
The debit cards are available in 174 countries. It is virtual, plastic, metal, and pure gold, if people want it. Mm-hmm. There will be a lot of other perks as well, like a concierge service. You can collect miles via crypto debit card that doesn't exist yet. You will have a wallet function as well, where you can have a decentralized wallet connected to your debit card, which is well something that not a lot of companies have done or have done properly.
And for the users of Tag Market and for the users of JetUp, is it possible also to use these debit cards and build the team?
Absolutely.
And earn the money if people will spend the money on these debit cards?
Absolutely. 60% of all the revenues in Bit1 and in the debit card will go back to the community, will go back, in this case, to JetUp and to the leaders of JetUp.
It really sounds great. It really sounds great, guys. So we have to use this opportunity, I think.
Plus, the next good thing is the community that you've built already in Tag Market is getting mirrored into the other companies, so that you have only to build once. And when one of your users understands, hey, I would like to use the card, you're immediately making money off of that person that starts to spend money via the debit card.
What offer technological innovatives are you preparing, if you may open, I don't know, first of all, market of crypto, then debit cards, and maybe you're planning to do something else, something big?
For 2026, we are good. Enough companies, enough development. We will obviously enhance the user experience on tag markets a lot. So we will better CopyX. We will make the 12x account as well a lot better, and we will try to keep the products that we have and make them better, because you don't always have to introduce something new to keep the people excited, but you can as well, the products that are already good, if you make them better, is in my opinion the approach that we want to go.
How do you see Tag Market in 3-5 years?
Tag Markets will be the biggest broker on earth, and from there on we will as well stabilize as the biggest broker on earth. And that's currently the mission. This is going to happen the next 2 to 3 years. That's the goal, and absolutely doable goal.
You're really crazy because I know that it will happen, but how old are you now?
I am 28 years.
So that's why, guys, that's why never is impossible. That's why I think that it will be. I know that all of our community wish you all the best. So that's why we are not worried. What position should the company occupy in the global market? You think that it will be the first?
Yes, 100%.
What is the main indicator of success for you personally?
So for me personally, it was about hard work. I always put in the hours that is necessary, and I just don't stop because it's not before it's not done. And the main problem that the people nowadays have is that they can't focus for 2 years or 3 years or as well 5 years on one thing and just get good in one thing and try to be the best in this what they want to do. And most of the people stop because of small failures. They stop because of they're getting distracted. And if you just focus on one thing and one thing only and do that for 2 to 3 to 5 years, it is inevitable that you are successful.
What motivates you to continue and develop in this company?
I would like to make the Forex and the crypto space a little bit better, and as well the network marketing space a little bit better, because the network marketing space especially helped me to be who I am today. And there has been so much situations going on in the last couple of years that we talked about as well prior, that I would like to make the industry just a little bit better.
How do you cope with the pressure and responsibility which you have now?
The good thing is I have a great team. We are a great core team, and I can rely on them 100%, and they are doing everything to keep stress and pressure away from me so that I can do what I'm here for. And basically it is a lot easier than it was half a year ago.
I think so too. What principles helps to you make difficult decisions that cut this, made this, I told that it will be like this? What principles? What do you think? What are you thinking about at this moment that you have to do exactly this?
Me personally, I'm super straightforward. And if I have an idea or if I have a thought, then I would like that this thought is getting done. And the good thing in tag markets is we are only two partners, two owners. So the decision making is always super simple because I don't interfere in his side of this business and he does not interfere in my side of this business. So it is super quick decisions, and this is what is usually happening in most of the companies, that the decision making takes too long, and while that happens, the other competitors have an advantage already and are so far ahead of the competition that you can't win. But in our case, decisions are being made quick, and that's why tag market is currently winning.
What would you like to wish to new users of Tag Market, of JetUp, for ambassadors, for partners, and those who are just considering entering the industry?
Well, I wish everyone that is currently looking into tag markets or JetUp as well, try the products, have a look at it, do a deep dive, and really try to see the product with your own eyes, because seeing is believing. And this is, in my opinion, the most important thing, to just try it yourself.
Thank you, Nick. Thank you. What is the main piece of advice you would give also to the people, to our community, to JetUp, who wants to build a business and finance industry, Forex?
At the end as well, what I said before, focus on one thing only. It doesn't matter if it is tag markets or anything else that is out there, but focus on one thing only, because if you split your focus into two, you will not be successful in both things. While if you focus on one thing and you just keep on pushing, you are able to create massive success.
Well, Nick, thank you so much. Thank you for finding the time for this short interview. See you soon on the next events. I wish you all the best, and I'm really sure that we will be a big, great company with you, with our community JetUp. Thank you, guys. You have to subscribe on this channel or ask the link of your partner, of your sponsor who gave you this video. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yun, grabe, no? Ayan, okay. Thank you so much, no, Tita Glo, no?
Thank you.
But before we start, we'd like to welcome the 29 participants that we have here. Hello kay Let. Thank you for joining. Kay Romel, Doc Romel, magandang buhay. Kay Marjorie, hello Marjorie. Kay Jason, kay Elena, Elenita, kay John L, hello John. Kay Miguel, Miguela Capuno, kay Aying Estong, magandang buhay sa iyo, Aying. Kay Alfredo Dalang, kay Marjorie, hello Marjorie. Kay Alexander, magandang buhay sa inyo. Salamat sa pag-join. Jig, Janice, Lorna, Susan, si NC, kay Gigi, kay Carmelita, kay Erwin, and kay Jason, and also Tita Glo and Sir Eddie Onya. Also kay Ed Latayan and Carol. Yan, magandang buhay po sa inyong lahat. No? This is, by the way, no, just to make you aware, this is not a presentation. This is a question and answer portion. May mga bagay na kung bago kayo dito sa ating negosyo, no, may mga questions kayo na unanswered. Probably we can answer those questions kung alam namin. Kung hindi naman namin alam, we will get back to you para makuha natin yung sagot dun sa mga tanungin nyo. Just disclaimer lang po, no? Kami ni Tita Gloria, we're not a trader. Nakapag-aral kami ng pagtitrade, but we are not an expert in trading. Pare-parehas lang din po tayo, no, na we are an affiliate of this company. What we do is we educate people kung ano lang po yung naiintindihan natin with regards to our company. Yun lang po yung ini-impart natin sa ating mga affiliates and members ng Stratify and Tag Markets. Ano po? Ayan. Tita Glo, sige.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Sir Anton. Nasabi nga po ni Sir Anton, hindi po kami nagtitrade dito, as we are also an affiliate of this company, no? All we know, magsishare lang po kami kung ano yung nalalaman natin, kaya po nandito tayo ngayon. If anyone would like to ask some question, andito po kami. Again, kung hindi po namin ma-answer yung question, we will get back to you po. Yan. So, ako po ay si Gloria Kinsel na nasa Australia po ako ngayon. Thank you.
Ayan. Okay. My name is Anton Sebastian. Ako po ay isang nurse by profession. I've been a nurse in United Kingdom for about 24 years. At ginagawa ko itong business na ito dahil nagustuhan ko ang business. In fact po, nag-no pay leave ako for 1 year. No? Hindi po ako magtatrabaho as a nurse. Gagawin ko po itong business na ito. So, for those people na nagtataka bakit ko ginagawa yon, no? Una, no, I believe on the company, no? Pangalawa, nakita ko kung ang ganda ng kumpanya, no? At pangatlo, ito yung nagbigay sa akin, no, ng another opportunity, no, to earn more. Actually, no, sa United Kingdom, dito sa kasi ngayon nandito ako sa Philippines, no, I've been earning around 400,000 pesos a month, no. Tanggalin natin yung taxes, no, it's around 300,000, sabihin na natin. That's a lot of money that I gave up every month. So ibig sabihin kung ginibap ko yon at ginawa ko tong negosyo na to, that means twice as double ang kinikita ko dito. Tama, Tita Glo, no?
Tama.
So I've been here in the Philippines, magdadalawang buwan na ako, no, dito sa Pilipinas, and I'm continuously doing this business, no. At gusto ko ring makatulong, no, dito sa mga taong nangangarap na katulad ko. And I'm happy, no? I'm happy that the people who followed me, no, sa mga affiliates ko na nag-follow sa akin at sinunod o yung mga itinuturo natin in a good way, ngayon ay tinatamasa na nila yung ganda ng negosyo. One of them nagwi-withdraw na unti-unti po, no? Nakaipon na ho siya ng around Tita Glo, around I think it's around 650,000 pesos, no? In pesos na po ito, at po pwede na po siyang magpalagay ng second floor ng kanyang bahay. So how good is this business is, no? We started this business, by the way, September of last year of 2025, no? Narinig nyo naman kanina, no, that the company this August po, no, 3 years na po ang Tag Markets. They came out during 2023, no, so yung soft launch nila, no, at nakita nila yung clamor ng tao dahil meron na silang proven system na ginawa, no? At nilabas nila ito noong 2024 at ngayon 2023, I mean, ngayon ay 3 years na po ang Tag Markets, no? How beautiful it is. Yeah. So ngayon, this is very informal, no? Informal ang ating meeting ngayon. And siguro type 1 po, no? Kung sino man po yung mga bago dito sa ating negosyo. Type 1 po yung mga bago dito para po makilala namin din kayo, no? Yung kasasali lang po si NC. Hello NC. Yan. Sino pa po? Si NC lang ba yung newly signed up o newly registered o kaka-invest lang dito sa ating negosyo? Si NC lang ba? How about iPad? Sino si iPad? So siguro si NC lang ba? Tama ba? Si Alexander. Si Alexander. Alexander. I think I met you yesterday, no, Alexander, no, during our Zoom meeting presentation, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you, Sir Anton.
Yes, okay. Sino pa? Sino pa po? Si Alexander lang ba? Si NC lang ba? Now, sabi ko nga, this is very informal. Wag ho kayong mahihiyang magtanong, no? Sabi nga ni Susan Roses, sumalangit nawa ang kanyang kaluluwa, di ba? Wag mahihiyang magtanong. Bakit hindi kayo mahihiyang magtanong? Kasi kapag nagtatanong po tayo, no? Una, naliliwanagan tayo. Pangalawa, yung fear natin, no, ay nawawala. Bakit? Kasi nasasagot yung mga tanong na nasa isip natin na hindi lumalabas, 'di ba? Ang fear nga, 'di ba? Yung takot natin, yan ang minsan nakakapag-hinder ng mga actions na pwede nating magawa, no? So pwede ho kayong magtanong, no? Libre naman po at you have the facility to unmute yourself, no? Hindi natin tatanggalin 'yon para makapagtanong kayo, o kaya kung nahihiya naman po kayo, pwede ho kayong magsulat sa chat box. Okay po ba 'yon? Agree po ba, no? Thumbs up po ba tayo? O sige. Ayan. Sige, raise the first question. Yan. Kung sino po yung gusto magtanong. You can raise the first question.
Pwede rin po kayo mag-raise hand.
Pwede rin ho kayo mag-raise hand. Yes, virtually, no? Hindi physically, but virtually. Meron kayong facility to do that. Yan. Ayan. Walang magtatanong.
Welcome lahat po yung tanong dito. Kaya po nag-open po tayo ng Zoom tonight just especially for question and answers.
Kaya ho, nag-open tayo ngayon, no? Kasi dun sa aking messenger po, ang daming mga tanong, no? Alam nyo po, syempre, napupudpud po yung daliri ko, kaka-type, no? Sa mga tanong, ano po. So, mas maganda na lang siguro para isahan na lang para marinig din ng karamihan yung mga sagot doon sa mga tanong na yon, no? Ayan, sige.
Exactly. Kasi po kung minsan, iisang tanong lang, marami ang, halimbawa, 10, iisang tanong lang po yun, no? Isang question lang po. Kaya, this is a chance for you guys, for you team, to ask question.
Yes, tama si Tita Glo. Yesterday po, no? Binanggit ko sa inyo yesterday. Anong sabi ko sa inyo? This week, which is itong Friday na to, no? May maganda ang forecast natin. Tama po. O ngayon, anong nangyari? Meron tayong large profit, 2 trading nangyari sa atin, no? Isang medium at saka isang large profit ang nakuha natin. By next week po, no, ang forecast, no, na naibigay sa atin ay maganda din, no? So maximize those opportunities na naibibigay sa atin yung mga ganung informations, no? First-hand information yan, so expect that we have a good trading by next week, no? By Monday, starting by Monday, no? So, yun. Sige, may question dito, no? Marjorie Orpilia. Hello, Marjorie. Ano po ang dapat nyong ipaliwanag sa amin, sir, about copy trading? Is this a manual trading or an AI trading? It is actually a combination of two, no, Marjorie. Manual trading in a sense that we have a master trader and 3 associate trader who help our Sonic, no, do the copy trading for us, no. So yan, hindi lang siya may 100% na AI trading. Gumagamit din tayo ng ating mga master traders to para bantayan yung ating trading. Ayan, Marjorie, I hope I answered that clearly to you.